Good morning, students. I hope what we have discussed in our previous class, all of you understood. We have completed exercise 6.2 and also those students have submitted their homework for exercise 6.2. I have seen all of them correct. So don't forget to practice each of the exercises, like each of the exercise 6.1, 6.2. Okay, otherwise you will forget it, because 6.2 you have got basic proportionality theorem or converse of basic proportionality theorem. Today we'll get the criteria for similarity of triangles. Already I have explained what similar, what do you mean by the word similar. So I have told you how we can say two triangles are similar. In general, you can say that two triangles are said to be similar if number one, their corresponding angles are equal, and number two, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Already I told this one. So for example, if you are taking two triangles ABC and DEF, then all the corresponding angles should be equal, like angle A is equal to angle D. Don't forget, I am saying about corresponding angles. Okay, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. And also number two, this one, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Means AB, it does not require that AB should be equal to DE. Only it is required that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD. Means their ratios are equal. Understood? Then you can say that two triangles are similar. Number one, their corresponding angles are equal, and number two, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. These two reasons. Okay, now these two reasons are for what? To get two triangles are similar. Now theorem 6.2. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal. See, suppose in you're having two triangles, their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. So this means, suppose you are having two triangles ABC and PQR. If you get their corresponding angles are equal, suppose you are having angle A is equal to angle B, angle P, then angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Suppose you are having these corresponding angles are equal, then according to theorem 6.2, if their corresponding angles are equal, then you can say that their corresponding sides are equal. AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. That means you got that if corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means these two triangles maintain these two properties, because when corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then you can say that the two triangles are similar. And according to theorem 6.3, that if their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are equal. So try to understand these two property needs to show two triangles are similar. And according to 6.3, if corresponding angles are equal, if in two triangles you are getting corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are equal. So you can say that these two triangles are similar. And if you are having confusion, in your textbook the proof already given, you can see that when two triangles have all the corresponding angles equal, then how you will get the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. It is proved in theorem 6.3. It is there, you can see. I have not given the proof. You can see. In case any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, and this theorem is called AAA, means angle. Why? Because if all the three corresponding angles are equal, then you are getting what? Ultimately, in shortcut, you can say that in two triangle, if the angles are equal, then you can say that this is similar. Because if the angles are equal, then you are getting corresponding sides are equal. AAA. And also it is important that this criteria is referred to AA or AA. Why AA? Do you know? If in two triangles, the sum of the three angles is how much? 180. If in two triangles you are getting, suppose angle A and angle B is equal, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, automatically 100% angle C also become angular. Why? Because sum of the angles how much? 180 degree. If two of the corresponding angles are equal, then automatically third angle will be equal. That is why this criteria is also called AA. Okay, so understood, this criteria is called AAA. Next, 6.4. If in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to in the same ratio of the other sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. This one is what? This one is like that. This one is reverse, like 6.3 you got. If the corresponding angles are equal, then you can say that corresponding. So if the corresponding angles are equal, you can say that the corresponding sides are equal. So automatically it becomes, means two triangles are similar. In this case, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, here you are getting if corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are equal. And here, if the corresponding sides are equal, then it is already proof in your textbook that if the corresponding sides are equal, then you will get all the corresponding angles are equal. Automatically, this theorem also maintain these two property. Yes or no? Means here, if you get when you are getting corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then you will get what? Then you will get corresponding angles are equal. It is already proved. Understood? And this criteria is what? Three corresponding sides. This criteria is called SSS, side. Okay? This criteria is referred to side. It is, you cannot like AAA, then you can say also A, because sum of the three angles is 180. But here you cannot say SS. You cannot. Okay. Here the criteria is only SSS. Means you have to get all the sides are in the same ratio. Then only corresponding angles is equal. And after all, you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and it should be in symbolic form. Symbolic form means, you know, that I want to explain. See here from first one, when these two triangles are similar, you can check this one. See angle A corresponding to what? Angle B, like this. This place should be equal, means same, not equal, same. B is equal to Q. See, correct? And C is equal to what? R, correct? Like this, it should be written in the symbolic form. Understood? It should be written on the symbolic form. Or also you can check the sides. AB, then PQ, BC, then what? QR. You can see the same place or not? Or AC, PR. Try to understand this. AB, PQ, BC, QR, and AC, PR. Like this, it should be written in the symbolic form. This one also you can say. See AB, PQ, BC, QR, AC, PR, and also angles, angle A, angle P, angle B, angle Q, and angle C, angle R. And this symbol is for similarity. Okay, like you got in class 9, this is congruent or not? This is congruent. So like this is what? Similar. The symbol for similar. Similarity of triangle, when you are writing two triangles are similar, you can use this symbol. Understood? Okay. So one more theorem you have, that theorem 6.5. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, means only one angle. One angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle, and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, I'll give you example. Suppose you are having triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and you have angle A is equal to angle P. Only angle A is equal to angle P, and they are including sides. See, sides including this angle are what? AB and AC, and here PQ and PR. If you are getting angle A is angle P, then you should get also what? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. If this thing you'll get into triangle, then also you can say that these two triangles are similar. Not only case angle A, angle B. Suppose you are not getting angle A and angle B. Suppose you are having angle B and angle Q. Suppose angle B, then the sides including with angle B means AB by PQ, now BC by QR. Or if you are getting angle C is equal to angle R, then you can write what? Angle C is equal to angle R, then BC by QR, AC by what? PR. Understood? Means this there are three conditions I wrote. Any one condition if maintained, then you can say that these two triangles are similar. Understood? No need to maintain these three of all these three. I have shown you because maybe if I will explain about angle A and angle P, then you will think that only this top angle should be equal, then only you can say that similar. No, any of the angle from this to the any of the one of the angle if equal, suppose if in case angle B and angle Q, then you have to get AB by PQ and BC by QR. Suppose you are having like that, suppose angle A and angle P are equal and your AB by PQ is not equal to AC by PR. Instead of this, you are getting, suppose angle A equal to angle P, you are getting angle A is equal to angle P, and you are getting BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. See, angle A is equal to angle P, and also you are getting BC by QR and AC by PR. AC by PR is okay, but BC is not including this. Angle A not includes this side BC. So in this case, you cannot say these two triangular what? This is not correct. These two triangles are similar. Only when you are getting two angles are one of the angle, means one of the angles, if one of the angle of triangle is equal to the one of the angle of other triangle, and the sides including these angles are proportional. Only the sides including this angle, means if angle A is equal to angle P, then you have to show the ratio AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Or if you are getting angle C is equal to angle R, you have to get BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Understood? Okay, this criteria is called SAS, side angle side. Understood? This criteria is referred to side angle side. Okay, these are the three criteria for similarity of triangles. Try to remember. If you understood, then you can solve all the sums in for exercise 6.3. I'll give you some solutions from exercise 6.3. I hope all of you understood this one. These three theorems are very, very important, or these three criteria like AAA or AA, SSS, then SAS, side angle side. Clear? Now 6.4, exercise 6.4 is that which pairs of triangle in figure 6.34 are similar? Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. Means in your textbook they have given some figures. You have to check either the two triangles are similar or not. If they are similar, you have to write in symbolic form, and so you have to write the criteria used. See, here you can say angle ABC PQ, it is already given. You can see clearly angle A angle P 60 so you can write angle A is equal to angle P, angle B angle Q 80 so you can write angle B is equal to angle Q, then angle C angle R, you can write angle C is equal to angle R. Means all the corresponding angles are equal. So it is very, very easy. So using AAA, you can write triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Also you have to check the symbolic form AP. So it is correct. AP B Q. Okay, B Q. This is correct, and also angle C R. I want to remind you that if in two triangles all the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then only you can say that the two triangles are similar. Here all the corresponding angles are equal, then what? All the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. This one no need to write that all the angles are. We understood that if in two triangles all the corresponding angles are equal, then you can say that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So the two triangles are similar. So that is why no need to write that. Once you got that all the corresponding angles are equal, so no need to write then corresponding sides are equal. If you want to write, then you can write. Otherwise, no need to write, because we got all the corresponding angles are equal. So they are what? Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we can say that using AAA, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Question number 2. ABC to 2.5, these are the lengths of the sides 6, 4, 5, PQR. So here you can see AB means you have to check each side. Which side? Try to understand each of the side. Like AB, you have to check with the other triangle. Either the ratios are equal or unequal. Here I have done. You can see I am taking AB and what? QR. So AB by QR. So you can see what is the length of AB? 2 and QR is 4. Then 2 2s are for what? Half. Next I am taking BC with RP. See. BC with RP. Then 2.5 by 5. 0.5. 0.5 means half. And at last I have taken AC by QP. AC by QP. This one. Then 3 by 6. What? Half. Means we can say that here all this half of that means AB by QR is equal to BC by RP is equal to CA by PQ. Means all the ratios are equal. Now maybe you are thinking that why I am not taking AB by PQ. Suppose you are taking AB by PQ 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Then BC by QR 2.5 by 4. It will not match. It will not means you have to say by yourself. Then which sides will give you the same ratio. After checking all the ways, if you are not getting the sides are in the same ratio, then you can say that these two triangles are not similar. But we are getting here, if you take like this pair like AB with QR, BC by with RP, AC by AC with QP, then you can say the sides are in the same ratio. If sides are in the same ratio, then their corresponding angles are equal. This thing no need to write. Sides are in the same ratio, so you can say that using SSS. Now how to write the symbolic form? See, AB, you are getting with what? AB by what? QR. So I am writing AB, then here what? QR. After AB, what is left here? C. So ABC, then here what? QRP. Now you can see the corresponding sides are maintaining this one or not. In this symbolic form, AB, QR. Correct? Then BC, RP, C, correct? Or at last AC, QP. AC what? QP. And QP and PQ are same. No, this is not a matter because PQ and QP, these are equal, no problem. Okay. I have done little mistake here. It's not mistake. You can write like this, like AC, PQ also you can write, CA, QP also you can write, because QP, PQ, CA, AC, the same sides. It does not really matter. So you can, I have written here CA by PQ, that is why I have sent this one. This one what? CA by PQ. Now correct. AB by QR, BC by RP, and AC by QP, or AC by QP, or if you go from this one, CA by PQ. Means side should be included. QP or PQ, it is not a matter. So understood? This one is SSS. Okay, like this you will try. There are 6 questions in question number 1. Try to solve the other 4 questions. These other 4 questions are your homework. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.